Passport America, this is Ryan. How may I help you?
How you doing, Richard? I was looking for a campground I had in mind, and I believe it was right on a river.
Yeah, I'd love to help you out, sir, but we have a lot of parks in the program. Could you be a little more specific?
Yeah, it was something like River's Landing or Eagle's Nest or something.
Hmm. I see we have a River's Edge RV park in North Florida here, perhaps.
Yeah, that's it. River's Edge RV Park. Thanks. What was your name again?
My name's Ryan.
I appreciate that, Robert.
Remembering your favorite parks can be difficult with so many out there, which is why we added the favorite park and notes function to the all-new My Passport America app. That way, you'll never forget your favorite park and you can hit the road with confidence. Here, let me show you. Once you have found a park that you would like to favorite, mark as visited, or write a note about, select the park's listing. There, you will be given the option to favorite the park, mark the park as visited, or write a note about that park. Remember, only you are able to see your campground notes. Once you've wrote a note, select Save Note. From there, you can go back to the home page. Select My Favorite Parks to view your favorite parks, My Visited Parks, or My Notes. Select the campground, and there you will be able to see your note and click View this campground listing to view the campground.